Hey friends, if you wish to install OpenSSH client on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what we have to do. First of all, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, scroll down in the right pane, select optional features, wait for the list to load. Okay, once the list has loaded, now you can click on this option which says, okay, first of all just check if you have the OpenSSH client here, which I do. So if you have it, then it's well and good, but if you don't have it, for the sake of this example I'll remove it. So if you don't have it, go to view features and then type SSH. Now you'll find the OpenSSH client here. Check the box associated with it, select next and select add. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.